Welcome to another Artabet class. Today we're going to do Moon Mission. We're going to outer space. I'll put the picture up on the left so you can follow in the classroom. We're just going to start this one with our good watercolor paper and a Sharpie. Here we go. Moon Mission. We want the spaceship to be going on an angle. So we want to make our square or rectangle on an angle like that, because it's taking off.
So like that?
Perfect. Now we're going to add another section here, which is just a triangle. Beautiful. Now coming out the bottom, these are the wings. Looks like a stage 2 rocket. It's got 2 stages, like 1, 2. Oh, it's going to have 3. And then you can make, in the drawing on the top left, we have straight lines, but let's curve the lines. Let's make it just a little more interesting. The one up on the left is great for kindergarten grade 1. And then we put the little radar out, sticking out. Usually the front is black. We'll just color it in black. And we're using our Sharpies. Now we're going to have 3 rockets. I'm going to make the first rocket bigger than the others. Then I'm going to take, everybody gets a little pencil. We're going to make it blast off. So I put a little bit of pencil on here, and here, and here. And you can take your finger like this and pull it like that. Or you can take the little blendy stick and use that. And we'll just keep that right up here so we can see it, because that camera, right? Little blendy stick, there we go. And you know, that's looking pretty good. Good start now.
Wait, do you want the things to come out?
Yeah, make it come right out like that. Ooh. They're all different, but they're all going somewhere. Let's put some rivets in. I was quite surprised when I actually saw this space capsule. It was at the New York's World Fair, the one that went into space. And it was just made of like really thin stuff. Little rivets everywhere. I'm going to put R25 on mine. First initial of my name in this 2025. But you can put J46, or you can put R low, or
I'm gonna put K37.
yeah, you just want to put something in there like some marks. And I'm going to join this up here. Now in the drawing on the top left, you'll see nothing is joined, right? Which is fine. And so we're kind of adding a few cool details. Actually, you know what I'm going to do? Now that I made that come out, look, I'm going to make these shiny by leaving a little white mark. See the little white mark? So now that looks like metal. Super, super. Interesting, if we put the moon here, we have this vapor trail, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the moon on the opposite side. And a moon has what?
Holes?
Holes, yeah. Hey, what do you think makes the holes? Make them a little...
Asteroids.
Yes.
Things.
Things hit the moon. So make them not quite round, but more oval. Ooh, maybe a little asteroid here, up here, there. A couple asteroids falling. 3's good. This one's bigger. Way over here is the planet we live on. And I'd like to put in like a little bit of maybe of South America, maybe up here the Arctic, and maybe over here China. boy, some of these really, let's line them up and take a look. Everybody's is different, but they're all going somewhere, right? Like we could all put them like, we could make a movie out of this, Starfleet. Well, we need a moon on that side. But that's okay. Starfleet, what are we doing?
They're gonna crash into each other.
I love them. They're all different. Yeah, there we go. You see? Oh, wait a minute. It's like a puzzle. We could just missing one. Well, not really. Look at that. Hey, let's put that up so we can see that. Probably the camera will catch it. There. Look at that. Wow, that's amazing. We got 4 Earths. Okay,
It
I'll
kind
take.
of like got split. Like.
Yeah, I'll take mine. Oh no, that's not mine. I'll take.
And there's 1,
No,
2,
that's not mine.
3, 4.
That's yours.
This is mine. I know.
Okay, we need some stars and colors. So everybody can take 3 colored Sharpies, any color you want. Take the tops off. Yeah, and Arlo, you got to put your picture up. I'm sorry for reaching. Right up here, so we can all see, right? Keep our pictures.
Well, I have the greatest colors in the
Okay, so we have 3 of them, see? And we gently drop them to make stars. If you drop them in a line, you'll make like the Milky Way, or call it the Pinky Way. This is the Pinky Way. You can put some stars here. And if you want to borrow some of these colors, like if you didn't have a color that you want to make your ship, turn your ship. I'm gonna make mine. I like red.
I like blue.
I'm going with red. And I always leave a little white mark to make it shiny. See? I'll make that part red, and the bottom, I think I'll make maybe what goes well with red. I will make some orange. Have you ever noticed that spaceships, they're kind of boring looking? Like they don't have great colors.
They're just blinking with white and red light.
You know what? I think I'll make mine.
I'm going pink on this one. And just a hint of yellow at where the retro rocket is. See? So it looks like it's flaming. And maybe yellow on the moon. I think they used to think the moon was made of cheese. Yeah, that was an old belief, isn't it?
Maybe if you're a mouse.
Maybe it looks like cheese. Oh, the Earth. We're kind of the blue planet, aren't we? Like we have a lot of water. Blue and green for the planet. Blue and green.
Yeah, look, I think I have all the blue and green.
Ooh, I like your stars. Blue and green. Oh, you could use that. Okay, so here we do. I squeeze a little water in the yellow, put it here, and we all take a little yellow because I want to make the flame coming out here. See, look at this. Oh, look at that. See, just take a little yellow on my brush and go like just one swipe. See, just like that, one good swipe. It's okay, when you're doing art, things get a little scattered all over the table, but we always clean up at the end. Wow, hey, how about a glow around the
I
Earth?
think it makes the moon yellow.
Ooh, hey, how about some moon glow? Look at this, 1, 2, 3, little moon glow, little glow around the Earth here.
I guess I'll just make
There you go.
yellow too.
Oh, I want to make them all.
Oh, you make the moon green.
Yes, I want the moon green.
So there's a nice green in there.
Would the paint colors mix?
Pardon me?
Would the paint colors mix?
Oh yeah, they mix. You can mix colors, yeah. I'm going to take some phthalo blue, quite a good amount. We're all going to share this big brush. I'm going to take a little bit of red with it and watch what I'm going to do. Make the night sky, but I'm not going to touch my Earth. See, look. Or my jet coming out here. Just going to wiggle that brush around there, and now I've got the Earth. Who wants to try? You want to try the big one? Just put it right here and everyone can see it. Oh, I have another. This brush will work. This is pretty big. Squeeze some water in there for me, Arlo. And yeah, that's it.
Yellow water.
There we go. And a little more water. There. Oh yeah, okay. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, there you go, boys. You try that one on yours. And I've got another one here for you. Look at that. There you go. And give it a good dark shot here. See, I did. Look at this. Give it a good dark shot. Oh, that's a brush smush.
What's a brush?
This.
No.
Oh.
Oh, no, I don't do it. I'm going to do one more in mine. Watch. It's a swipe.
Is this
Like
a
a
brush mash?
Yeah, we don't want a smush brush. There you go. Nice. Well, look at that, guys. How long did that take? That was a good
I'm
class.
still doing it.
That took 16 minutes from start to finish. Let's line up our space pictures
I'm
here.
not done yet.
Oh, you're not done. Arlo's not done. You can add a little water to it. It won't work on wet.
I know.
Yeah, you can use a dark pencil.
Now I need more water.
So now you need more
Squeeze
water. Yeah, you can put the water right on here and then mix it.
Ooh, there's not.
Whoa, careful, Jack. Just stroke it gently like this. Stroke it gently. You don't want to rub the brush.
Kind of like I'm putting.
Yeah, and you can use your water brush to spread it now. See, watch.
Yeah.
Add a little water to it. Oh,
How do I get water on
let's
this?
move you nice and close. See, look at the water. Spread it. Yeah, add lots of water. Watercolor needs water. So give it a little, get some water
the
on
water's
it.
yellow.
Yep, get some water. There you go. And then, yeah, there you go. Space fallout. Pick it up. There we go. And there we have our pictures. Good work. So put them all together. You want to just put it right there. 16 minutes. Look at that. Space. We're taking off. Thumbs up for the space mission.